Hello and welcome to our brief introduction to the UOS partner apps. To see what these apps are, what tasks they perform and how they can be used, I would first like to briefly introduce our operating system, UOS, under which these apps run. To do this, I would like to compare UOS with another operating system that is in widespread use, Android. Both Android and UOS are operating systems. However, while Android is intended for use on mobile devices, UOS was designed for the automation sector and applications with a connection to the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT for short. Both operating systems also act as a software platform for different applications. Under UOS, we also find system settings and apps, but these relate to automation and IIoT. Here we see a small selection of apps that are typically used for automation tasks. These are Codesys for running PLC programs created in the native Codesys programming environment. Node-RED to make services available in the IIoT and to access services hosted by UOS. Ulink for fast and secure access to remote machines and systems. Or Procon Web for plant and system visualizations. However, a UOS device such as the Weidmüller U-Control is more than just a PLC for performing automation tasks. To describe a U-Control as a PLC would be like calling your smartphone just a telephone. Just as you can make phone calls with an Android smartphone, but its capabilities are by far not limited to making phone calls, you can use a U-Control with UOS to automate machines and plants, but also to take advantage of a wide range of other possibilities. And because UOS is an open system, these possibilities are not limited to Weidmüller apps or third-party apps for automation tasks such as Codesys. Also, a wide variety of apps from our partners can be installed and run under UOS. Selecting and installing apps on UOS devices is very easy. In the UOS Control Center, simply open the App Manager to see an overview of your already installed apps. Here, you can open the App Hub by clicking on the Install App button. This is similar to an app store, where I can select an app from a list of available apps and install it after selecting the app version number that suits my needs. Let's take a closer look at some of our partner apps and how they work. To begin with, there is Rexygen from Rex Controls. The Rexygen runtime operates reliably in demanding industrial applications, such as in energy, process control, and the control of machines and mechatronic systems. With Rexygen, you can configure advanced control algorithms graphically, with more than 500 function blocks at your disposal. This includes PID controllers with fully functional autotuners, adaptive and fuzzy logic controllers, and predictive control. Especially in conjunction with Weidmüller's U-Control and the fast Uremote input-output modules, the Rexygen runtime enables the execution of multiple tasks in real time with different time periods. Communication via standard protocols such as OPC UA, MQTT, Modbus, CAN or CAN Open, EtherCAT and much more allows an easy integration into the further system environment. The next partner app I'd like to present is the Cordis Suite. The Cordis Suite offers a complete low-code software development platform, based on graphic model-driven software engineering, for machine control applications. Instead of writing program code, a graphical unified modeling language and state diagrams are used to describe the behavior of a machine or system, enabling engineers from non-software fields to actively contribute to the detailed development of software. The code is then generated from the design model, so unlike traditional development, your code matches the design. The guiding principle for the Cordis Suite development environment is, as little software coding as possible, but everything you need for modeling, testing and connecting to a digital twin. This digital twin allows the software project to be comprehensively tested in an integrated real-time simulation environment before it is loaded onto the controller. The Weidmüller control components are already fully integrated for the necessary hardware configuration and for mapping the input and output signals. For a comprehensive data communication despite different protocols, Weidmüller offers the MBS Virtual Gateway as a partner app under UOS. This enables a UOS device to act as a gateway and thus convert different bus protocols in your system environment to other common protocols. The first step is the implementation of BACnet, a quasi-standard in building automation. Other protocols are planned and will follow soon. Another very interesting app is SwarmGuard Industrial Agent. This is a user-friendly and easy-to-use way to connect UOS devices and to enable remote access all over the world. For secure communication, an end-to-end encryption via WireGuard is used. SwarmGuard's particular strengths are its high level of security, maximum availability, and easy network scalability, with SwarmGuard automatically taking care of all complex tasks such as setting up the overlay network, assigning access rights, and much more when integrating new devices. Last but not least, I would like to introduce you to the Industrial Edge Runtime app. This app allows you to easily connect, manage, and operate globally distributed edge installations via the Industrial Edge Marketplace by Siemens. Thanks to Industrial Edge, Siemens customers benefit from a large and diverse portfolio of offerings, not only from Siemens, but also from third-party providers such as Weidmüller. This allows us to integrate seamlessly into their existing infrastructures, whether they are edge devices such as our UOS devices, connectivity, data layers for communication, or our apps. Customers are able to manage the app and device lifecycle centrally and remotely to scale industrial use cases globally. And thanks to easy workflows, customers are able to deploy Industrial Edge out of the box. Find out more about the apps available for UOS on our homepage at weidmüller.com. Under Solutions in the Technologies section, select the menu item UOS Edge Computing. In addition to lots of other interesting information about UOS, you will find a link under Operating System to UOS apps for IIoT and automation. Here you will find an overview of apps from Weidmüller as well as partner apps and third-party providers. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We appreciate your interest and thank you for watching this video. See you soon.